welcome.
Welcome.
Today's spooky adventure in our Halloween special brings us to a very special, historic, and I would say very historic Halloween house.
Yes.
Wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah, very historic.
And I believe it is on the historical registry in California.
Yeah.
Come along and join us on this spooky adventure. As we look up these steps, right at the top, we are at the Thriller House. Such an iconic house, but unfortunately, it is in disrepair. I believe they might be trying to restore it because it is a historical home.
Yeah, it looks like there was like a fire going on to it, but it looks like down here, since they have that little, what is it, log or wood or whatever. Yeah,
Yeah.
they might look like they'd be trying to fix it.
Right, and obviously they don't want people to go up those stairs because it's probably dangerous. We won't be going up because we're going to stay on the sidewalk.
And there's
and be
people here. I
respectful.
saw some cars in the driveway too.
Yeah, so let's go over here so that we can see a little bit more. But yeah, look at this driveway.
Old brick. Oh, it's kind of cool though. Yeah, there's people here.
I wonder. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
they
the
definitely.
scaffolding.
Yeah, they are trying to repair it or rehab it, I should say. What an iconic house. You know, I remember as a kid watching that video and it was so terrifying.
Yeah, I know. I watch it every Halloween, and even to this day, when I watch it at night. And even, like I said, even to this day, it scares the shit out of me.
Yeah.
It's just how well they did the video and how well they did the busting into the house and running out of the house and the ending. It's spooky as shit.
It really is. And
this is the perfect house too, because it's these old Victorian houses on this whole block.
Exactly.
And I love it.
It's just, I really do hope that they do rehab it because as we're filming, there's been multiple people that have stopped to take a picture of it because of how popular and historic it is. And it would be really sad if this did eventually go away.
Yeah, I don't think it is though, because like we were saying, you know, over here they have the scaffolding, they have all this stuff going on right here.
Yeah.
So they are trying to fix it, because you can see right here it looked like there was a fire and everything going on to it, but it looks like they are trying to restore it. So hopefully soon, maybe we'll come back another time to see the progress.
Right, exactly.
See what's going on.
Yeah, and then we'll cross the street too so that we can get
so we can get a better view of it.
Let's go down here and see how the other side looks. But yeah, just seeing this in person, it's truly amazing. And both Alex and I love Victorian homes. That's something that we've both wanted to eventually own one day.
I would love to. I love Victorian houses. They're so creepy, they're so scary, but beautiful at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. And as we look on this street, there's
all these other ones. God, they're so pretty.
Hey, there's one for sale.
I know. I saw that. I was like, oh.
Maybe we can.
It's haunted.
We can buy.
Yeah, let's
buy
go
it.
look at it. I'm
let's
gonna take a look.
The street.
Yeah, let's
so that we can look at it. Yep, that definitely.
Yeah, I mean, just looking at it right here, I'm imagining the steps and how she was running and went up the steps.
I wonder where the movie theater is where they filmed it. Was that like on a lot somewhere?
Oh, it might have been on a lot. I don't know. We have to look it up. It might have been on like the Universal Studio lot, or it could have been up the street somewhere.
Maybe.
I'm gonna have to look it up. You know, I didn't even look that far into it.
But not only are we featuring
bees.
I know. Featuring the Thriller House.
Yes.
Because it's such an iconic Halloween music video.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, basically mini movie if you think about
Oh
it.
yeah, basically, yeah, I loved it.
Another spooky house that is on this street. This is Carroll Street in Los Angeles, California.
Mm-hmm.
Literally one house down, you'll see this pink house. It's the Charmed house.
Yes.
And someone is taking a selfie in front of it.
Exactly.
So we will go down
Yes.
and show that as well. That TV show.
I loved it. I loved the original.
Yes, the new one, not so much.
Yeah, I never watched the new one.
But that show was fantastic. And
oh, I know. I loved it.
it had how many seasons? A lot, right?
Jesus. It had a lot of seasons. I can't even tell you how many seasons it had. But I watched every episode. I know that.
It was so good. And I
Yeah.
was sad when it actually
Me too.
went off the air. Let's turn the camera around and
Yes.
look at this house though.
Yeah, this
That
one is
house
beautiful
is-
too.
Imagine the stories this house could tell.
Oh, and look at the upkeep. It is so, wow,
It looks
gorgeous.
Yeah.
And they have a little back house,
Oh wow.
little guest house.
So here we go.
There we
Here's
are.
the Charmed house with Phoebe and
We love it so much. We forgot their names. It was Phoebe, because it all started Piper,
Piper,
Phoebe, Piper, Prudence,
Prudence.
but they called her Prue. And
Yes.
then after one left, the cousin came, which was McGowan, Rose McGowan.
Yeah.
And her, I think hers started with a P as well, because they all had P names.
So as we were saying, Rose McGowan's character was Paige, and they do have a sign that says, "Private property, please do not come to the door." So I assume they had to put that up because people are rude
Yeah.
and go up to someone's probably door to take a photo.
Oh yeah, probably right in front of the door.
Yes. But keep in mind, just because you see a house on TV, a lot of times it's a house that someone actually lives in.
Right. A lot of people
And-
think it's, most of the time it's just, 'cause a lot, I mean, I would have thought that too. Like, it's not a real house, it's like on a lot. But a lot of times they use the actual house.
Right. And they actually pay a lot of money to use
Mhm.
houses like this.
Oh, a hummingbird.
I know that the people that own the Breaking Bad house, they had a lot of issues for a while
Oh,
too,
damn.
because some people don't respect personal property.
Mhm.
I mean, yeah, it's really cool to see something in person that you've watched for years,
Mhm.
but you also have to remember that someone does live there.
People keep driving by and looking.
Yeah, because on the street, you've got two really great homes. You've
Mhm.
got the Charmed house, and then,
And then,
literally right
One
there
house and then the Thriller house.
is the Thriller house.
That is insane.
So it's, especially now with the Halloween
Mhm.
season,
Everybody's coming through here.
people want to come and see, but we're just admiring.
Mhm.
Oh, look at this house across the street.
Yeah.
They've
Oh,
got
wow.
Halloween
Little
decorations.
cutie house.
That's cool. It'd be awesome if more
That's
people
cute.
on this street decorated.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
maybe
look
not
it.
millions,
There's
thousands.
another door. And you know,
Yeah, a
or
little side door.
houses like this,
Mm-hmm.
because I almost bought a Victorian home once.
Okay.
It had a door like that, a
Mhm.
second door. And when we asked the realtor, "Oh, what's the point of that second door?"
Yeah.
He basically told us that an undertaker lived in the house,
Oh,
and they would have the bodies dropped off at that door.
okay.
So then when they, in the middle of the night, would go retrieve that body, it
Mhm.
would go into a separate room,
Okay.
because then that's when they would do, like in the basement or whatever.
Embalming and everything.
That, yep.
So were most of these homes basically funeral homes?
A lot of them
What
were.
they were, yeah.
Yeah. And
I want to own a funeral home.
and so and a lot of times too,
Makes sense.
that's where people would do the viewings.
Yeah, on the side. Mm-hmm.
So when I found that out,
I know you and I are very different when it comes to things like that.
Yeah.
I said no.
I would have been like, sold.
I said no thanks.
I wasn't sold.
I could only imagine
Sold.
the things that went on in that house, so I'm good. So I said no thanks. Now I don't know if that's the case with this house.
Yeah, I mean, they were all probably just built like that. It could have just been like the side door instead of like the back door,
right.
you know.
But that's what my realtor told me, and
Well, I mean, it's probably true because a lot of these Victorian houses, you know, had maybe combined families too, and that could have been the side for a different family or something
true.
like that as well.
Yeah.
But I would have been like, where do I sign?
I couldn't do it. I could not do it.
Show me where they are. Like the movie, what was it? The Haunting in Connecticut. Remember they bought the house? And did you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
They bought the house and it was either a house like this or it was a funeral home house. And downstairs, the boy wanted to sleep there. And that's where all the, they had the funeral stuff going on down there. And that's where he got possessed or haunted or
That's
whatever.
just, that to me is just, it's too much. I can't deal with that.
I'd be fine.
Yeah, you would be, but not me. I'm a scaredy cat when it comes
I
to
would
things
still
like
get
that.
scared. Is that a fish?
I think it is, yeah.
For the other side, I thought it was a crow, but it is a bass.
It's something,
Fish.
yeah. Yeah.
Or a catfish, just hanging up there.
Yep.
That's great.
So I think Alex might do a treat for us.
Yeah.
And do the Thriller dance.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. You want me to do it right in front or right here? Everybody's watching me. Hold on. They're gonna ruin my shot.
Okay, so Alex in front of the steps so people can't see her. She's gonna do the dance.
I gotta remember how some of it goes.
I don't know. I'm not a dancer. You're more of a dancer than me.
I gotta remember. Look away, fellas, unless you're gonna join. If you look, you join. Because I know it's like. Dun, dun.
Exactly.
And then I gotta remember. Oh God, they're all coming out to see. You gotta join too, Grandpa. Okay, I know it's like. Dun, 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 dun. And then they do this, and then they do.
Yep. Exactly. Yep. Exactly.
They're probably all watching me. Stop watching me, Grandpa. You're gonna have to join. These people are embarrassing me. Yeah.
So that was Alex demonstrating.
Yeah, I would have done more, but this guy keeps watching me.
You don't
He's
like to be
making me
watched?
nervous. Well, he's looking at me in a mean way. Oh, he's coming down the stairs. I gotta have the music with me. It's like doing
It's copyright.
dun,
We
dun.
can't.
Oh, that's right. Dun, 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 dun.
Exactly. I love it.
I would do more, but these people are embarrassing me.
So this is our special at the Thriller House in Los Angeles, California. Hopefully they rehab it. If not, you better get down here soon because I don't know how much longer it'll be here. Oh, she's back. And so definitely check it out if you can. I do hope that they will rehab it because it's such a historical house, but hate to see it get completely demolished.
I just noticed they had a ring on there. They're
They
fucking
do
probably
have a
watching
ring.
me.
They
They're like,
do
this fucking dumbass.
They do
You're
have a
welcome.
ring camera.
You're welcome. Dun, dun. That's what I was doing.
Okay, so we looked it up on our phone, and the exterior was the Palace Theater, which we will drive by. Other key filming locations, like the zombie dance, was on Union Pacific Avenue, and then the warehouse studio used for the sets, Maywood Avenue in Vernon, California.
Is that a coincidence?
Oh, and there we go.
Shit.
That is now playing in the car right
Yeah,
now.
see how it's listening to us? We're all listening.
Yep. And it's right there. And now we're going to drive by the exterior of the movie theater, and then we're going to make a pit stop to check out that creepy place. Because this is our Halloween special, so
Yes.
let's see as many creepy things as we can. So it's super busy down here, but right there in the middle of the screen, you can see where it says the Palace, and that is the exterior from the movie theater in the Thriller music video. We'll drive by and record as much as we can, but it is super busy down here.
Yep.
There is the exterior. If it's showing, might be a glare. But now we're going to go to our next destination, which will be the Cecil. Exactly.
So random.
That place just looks so... Oh my god.
Yeah. Hey, it looks better than it did when I came down here a couple of years ago.
Wow, look at that.
Hotel Cecil.
Look at that.
DTLA.
$5 public parking.
Oh, Lord.
There it is.
There it is, guys.
Right there. The Hotel Cecil.
Wow.
Creepy.
Terrifying.
Wow. Super creepy. No thanks.
So continuing, since this is our Halloween special, we're gonna go inside the Haunted Halloween store and go through their little mini haunted walkthrough so we can experience something a little scary.
Children.
Since this is our Halloween special, let's see creepy things.
Squirt, squirt.
Oh,
That's not nice.
uh-oh.
Oh, looks
Are there
like
gonna be-
clearance.
People waiting for us? Ooh, ooh. Nice.
What
Nice.
I need at the house.
That's cool.
He looks real.
Oh, zombie.
Ah!
Oh,
Grandpa.
yep. That's cool.
Oh, Grandpa. Oh, Grandpa.